If you're getting a chess.com username change error like form not valid, invalid username, or unavailable, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This usually happens because of a 90-day change limit, a username format issue, or because you're trying to change your name while a live game or tournament is still open. So stay with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to fix it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Let's start with the first and most important check, your change eligibility. Chess.com only allows a username change once every 90 days, so if you recently changed your name, the system will block another one until that waiting period is over. To confirm this, go to your profile and look for the date of your last username change. If it has not been 90 days yet, that is most likely the reason you're seeing the error. Next, make sure you are not currently inside any live activity. You cannot change your username while you're in a live chess game, tournament game, or any session that is still active. Even if the tab is just sitting open in the background, it can still interfere with the change. So close all chess.com game tabs, exit any ongoing matches, and then try again from a clean browser window. Now let's look at the username itself, because format issues are another very common cause. Your new username must be between 3 and 20 characters long. It can only include letters, numbers, underscores, and dashes. That means no spaces, no unusual symbols, and no usernames that begin or end with a special character. A name like chess_player 2026 may work, but something with spaces or extra punctuation will usually fail. If chess.com says the username is invalid, there's another thing to check, the abuse filter. Some words are blocked automatically, and some names may be rejected if they look too similar to official terms. For example, usernames containing restricted words or names like chessadmin may not be allowed. If that happens, try a simpler username with fewer special words and test a few different variations. If the name says unavailable, it may simply already be taken by another user. In that case, try adding numbers, changing the word order, or using an underscore or dash to create a unique version. Sometimes even a small adjustment is enough to make it available. After you've checked all of that, go back to the username change page and try submitting the new name again. Make sure you've closed any live games, confirmed the 90-day window, and entered a valid format. In many cases, one of those three issues is the entire problem. If you still get the error, try refreshing the page, signing out and back in, or clearing your browser cache before attempting the change again. Occasionally, browser glitches can make the form fail, even when the username itself is fine. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are: check the 90-day rule, make sure no live game or tournament is open, verify the username follows the 3 to 20 character rules, and avoid blocked or taken names. Once those are all correct, the change should go through much more smoothly. I hope this helped you fix the chess.com username change error. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.